Hello, welcome to our channel. We are truly happy to share simple methods that can improve your health, your energy, your confidence. Today's topic may look ordinary, yet it has the power to transform your body from within. Apple cider vinegar. A simple liquid, a sharp taste, a strong smell. Many people avoid it, many underestimate it. But those who understand it never ignore it again. Have you ever looked at your stomach, felt uncomfortable, noticed bloating that does not go away? That feeling is not just about food. It is about your internal balance. Your digestive system controls more than you think. When it slows down, your body begins to store fat. Your energy drops, your system feels heavy. This is where apple cider vinegar begins its work. It supports your digestion. It helps your stomach break down food more efficiently. Your gut becomes more active. Your system becomes lighter. No extreme effort. No complicated process. Just natural support. Then something important begins to happen. Bloating starts to disappear. Your stomach becomes flatter. Your body feels less heavy. This is not illusion. This is real change. Apple cider vinegar also helps regulate blood sugar levels. This means fewer cravings, less unnecessary eating, more control over your habits. You begin to eat with awareness. Not because you force yourself, because your body no longer demands excess. Then comes fat loss. Your metabolism becomes more efficient. Your body starts to use stored fat as energy. Step by step, your shape begins to change. Slow, stable, natural. This is not a quick fix. This is a shift. And over time, you begin to notice something deeper. Your confidence grows. Your energy improves. Your body feels under control. All from something so simple. Just 1 glass a day, mixed with water, taken before meals or in the morning. Consistency creates transformation. Because real results do not come from extreme actions. They come from small habits repeated daily. Apple cider vinegar does not force your body. It supports your body. That is the difference. This content is for informational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or health routine. Thank you for watching. If this message helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support helps us continue sharing valuable content. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay focused, stay strong, take care.